Hello, this is Aubrey Johnson. I'm the minister for the Peachtree City Church of Christ, just south of Atlanta, Georgia. And I'm looking forward to spending some time with you over this class on servant leadership in the online master's program of the World Bible Institute. We're going to be looking at servant leadership, trying to understand it through the lens of a deacon in the church. The word deacon just means servant or minister, and a deacon is a part of God's leadership team. We're going to look at 5 areas in the work of a deacon. First of all, the role. Why is it important? The requirements. What is necessary to meet the demands of the job? What leadership qualities does Paul point out in his list in 1 Timothy 2, verses 8 through 13? We're going to talk about responsibilities. How do you execute? We're going to discuss how you get clear, get going, get help, and get results. We'll talk about the relationships of a deacon, in particular his circle of success. Those 4 vital relationships that if you leverage them will take your ministry, whatever it is, to the next level. And finally, we'll talk about the rewards, because God sustains the work of his people through his promises. And Paul tells us we need to be steadfast, immovable, always abounding in the work of the Lord. The material in the book, Dynamic Deacons, which forms the core of this class, is going to be supported by some PowerPoint modules. The PowerPoint modules contain just a few highlights from that material, but I hope that they will help it to be ingrained in your heart and soul. I hope also they'll be helpful to you as you use them or adapt them to do your own class as a project during this study. So, thank you for your interest in leadership. I look forward to being able to talk with you personally sometime during this course. And be sure and write down questions as they come to mind. I'll be happy to answer any questions that you have. You have my email address. You have my mobile phone number in the syllabus. And I'm just really excited about what God is going to do through your life for his church, for his people, and for his glory. God bless you.